How to save Instagram photos and videos in your phone's camera roll. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can save Instagram photos or videos in your gallery. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to save your photos and videos that you take from your Instagram's camera, you head over to the hamburger menu and then scroll down until you see archiving and downloading. It will be under your app and media section. Just tap on it. So here you will see different options to save your story to archives, save your lives to archives, and then finally save original photos. You just toggle this on and it will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.